seventh Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Shraddha Deva, son of Vivaswat or Surya, is the seventh Manu. He is reigning at present. Ikshwaku, Nabhaga, Drishta, Saryati, Narishyanta, Nabhaga, Dishta, Tarusha, Prishadra, and Vasumat are his 10 sons. The Adityas, the Vasus, the Rudras, the Vishwadevas, the Maruts, the Ashwini Kumaras, and the Ribhus are the Devas. Purandara is their Indra. Kashyapa, Atri, Vasishta, Vishwamitra, Gautama, Jamadagni, and Bharadwaja are the 7 rishis. The avatar of this Manvantara is Vamana, the youngest son of Aditi by Kashyapa. The Purana will revert to this Manvantara after giving a general account of the succeeding Manvantaras. The eighth Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Savarni is a son of Vivaswat by his wife Chaya. He shall be the eighth Manu. Nirmoka, Virajaska, and others shall be his sons. Sutapas, Viraja, and Amrita Prabha shall be the Devas. Bali, son of Virochana, shall be the Indra. Galava, Deeptiman, Parashurama, Ashwathama, Kripa, Rishyasringa, and Vyasa shall be the 7 rishis. Sarvabhauma, son of Devaguhya by Saraswati, shall be the Avatara. He shall wrest the kingdom of Swargaloka from Purandara and make it over to Bali. The eighth Manvantara is the second half of the fourth round and should be the spiritual half according to theosophical ideas. But we find the Asura king Bali, who was removed from the kingdom of Triloki in the Vaivaswat Manvantara, restored to the kingdom of Swarga. Amongst the rishis, we find Parashurama, who fought with Rama, and Ashwathama and Kripa, who ranged themselves against the Pandava brothers in the battle of Kurukshetra. All this shows that spirituality was developed out of materiality. The sons of Manu are Nirmoka and Virajaska. Moka is the cast off skin of an animal and may well represent the Sthula body. Nirmoka is one without Moka. Virajaska is without Rajas. So the course of evolution shows a tendency in the first place to cast off the Sthula body and to overcome the Rajas. The ninth Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. The ninth Manu is Daksha Savarni. He is the son of Varuna Bhutaketu, Deeptaketu, and others shall be his sons. Para, Marichi, Garbha, and others shall be the Devas, and Adbhuta their Indra. Dyutimat and others shall be the Rishis. Rishabha, son of Ayushmat by Ambudhara, shall be the Avatara. The 10th Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Brahma Savarni is the 10th Manu. He is the son of Upashloka, Bhurisena, and others shall be his sons. Havishmat, Sukrita, Satya, Jaya, Murti, and others shall be the rishis. Suvasana, Aviruddha, and others shall be the devas, and Shambhu their Indra. Vishwaksena, son of Viswasrij, by Visuchi, shall be the Avatara. The 11th Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Dharma Savarni is the 11th Manu. Satyadharma and others shall be his 10 sons. Vihangama, Kalagama, Nirvana Ruchi, and others shall be the Devas. Vaidhrita their king, and Aruna and others the rishis. Dharmasetu, son of Aryaka by Vaidhrita, shall be the Avatara. The 12th Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Rudra Savarni is the 12th Manu. Devavat, Upadeva, Devasreshta, and others shall be his sons. Men shall be evolved into Devas in this Manvantara. Harita and others shall be the Devas. Ritadhaman, their Indra. Tapomurti, Tapasvin, Agnidharaka, and others the Rishis. Swadhaman, son of Satyasahas by Sunrita, shall be the Avatara. The 13th Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Devasavarni is the 13th Manu. Chitrasena, Vichitra, and others shall be his sons. Sukarma and Sutrama, the Devas. Devaspati, their Indra and Nirmoka. Tattvadarsha, and others the Rishis. Yogeshwara, son of Devahotra by Vrihati, shall be the Avatara. The 14th Manvantara, Skanda 8, chapter 13. Indrasavarni is the 14th Manu. Uru, Gambhira, Vradna, and others shall be his sons. Pavitra and Chakshusha, the Devas. Suchi, their Indra, Agni, Bahu, Suchi, Shuddha and others the rishis. Brihadbanu, son of Satrayana, by Vitana shall be the avatara, that is, the great sun shall absorb everything. The administration of Manvantara. Skanda 8, chapter 14. Said Raja Parikshit, tell me, O Rishi, what are the respective duties of Manu and others in the Manvantaras?